Hell yeah. We're on our way to the fucking, we're gonna see some elephants potentially, ride some elephants, and then we're gonna hit this dope waterfall. So, should be an eventful day.
Yeah, very eventful.
Full of events. It's gonna be lit. I'm here with Josh. We met a few days ago. He's the guy I was talking about in the second video that I literally met on Khao San Road, just randomly. And now we're going on an adventure. Should be lit. Should be lit.
Rabies. Rabies alert. Rabies alert.
Big time.
I've only had one rabies jab, please.
Yeah, just don't touch.
Give me a chance. They're gathering. They're gathering for a feast, and we are the food.
Oh.
Hello, meow. Meow. Hey, what are you saying?
Max, we're trying to figure out the prices and stuff. So right now, she's saying, so it's looking like 600 baht for 30 minutes. We're running an elephant, like, you know what I'm saying? This should probably, like, the experience actually is worth a lot more.
Yeah.
I'm saying, but like, maybe like, can we do like an hour for like?
So yeah, we are literally about to ride some elephants. How mad is that? Can't wait. Oh, goodness. I did not see that coming. And that, my friends, is the elephant. Bloody hell. Insane. Insane. I don't think I've ever seen anything in my life. What a beautiful creature. What a beautiful creature. Something so sacred about it. Yeah.
That's some shitting, bro.
Some big shit.
You riding that shit like it's paddle, but I wanted to get one of those.
It's gonna be so dope. Can't wait. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We in Thailand. We running it. Oh, I need my bandana. That's what I need. That's what I'm missing.
Yes.
Wow, he's strong. Bloody hell. Guess where we are. But when I saw it walking earlier, it just looked so wise, like it really knew its shit. Wow.
Say hi.
Hello.
What's going on?
Get out of my way, get out of my path. Wow, look at these little houses. Whoa! Whoa! My God! My God! Wow! Has he got it in his mouth? Oh my goodness! So ancient, look at those like tattoos it's got, or scratches or something. Oh. I just feel so safe on here. I forget that the elephant doesn't know I'm, like, I could get scratched.
Yeah.
Is that the elephant?
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
I wonder, is he okay? 'Cause
Oh, is he
I don't know
okay?
what- I don't know what that was.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe you should move away from these rocks.
Fucking hell, what is happening?
You okay?
I think that's normal or something. Yes, baby. Oh my goodness, we're going underwater. Shit. Should I get in? Yeah. Shit! What's coming at me like something from Pirates of the Caribbean, like a kraken. Just here? It's gone underwater.
Right, do it. Keep it down. Okay.
I'm okay up top.
So you stop. Come at me now. Yep. Look, two.
Whoa! Whoa! Hey! Okay! Oh my god. Yeah.
Get back,
Me?
Okay.
Okay. Can you film this?
Get back. You back.
Yep.
And then me. No. Go, cool.
Hey. Oh, yep.
No.
Oh, okay.
Look, look. Look.
Whoa! Wow, that's so cool, man. That's cool.
I'm okay.
Oh, mate, you've got to try it. It's actually really cool.
Step up. No.
He's like, my dude, come on. I came all the way out here for this. Do you want me to hold your hat for you? Take it off, I'll give it to her. I can give you a hat as well if you want. He's just going to take his shirt. He's going to take his shirt and then I'm going to...
The water's cold as fuck. I really don't want to go in this.
It's not too cold.
It's not too cold.
That's not cold. Yeah, it's decent. Have you been up? You just went on, didn't you? Oh, not yet. Do it. It's sick. Hey! Oh, that's a good picture! That's unreal. That was sick. Fucking hell.
Yeah, good. Walking it.
He's trying to grab my hand.
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Whoa! Okay. Is he happy?
Huh?
Is he happy?
Oh, is he happy?
He's like, no.
Yeah.
Not one bit.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Kind of water gun
He
shit.
he didn't shoot it at me. He shot it himself.
Oh.
What a lovely animal. Could have easily gone for me that.
Yeah, you could have cooked
Oh.
that shit.
One, two, three. Hey. Yeah, you.
Could I try one more time? We'll do it with both of us. Can you hold this? Can you get a picture of this?
Yeah. Oh.
He's trust us. Yeah, baby. Bears and elephants.
All the way from Brooklyn, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, boy. Brooklyn's finest.
Cut a bamboo tree, he had a machete, he cut a bamboo tree, and he really made a walking stick from the bamboo, and I was like, yeah, bro, these guys are men, bro.
Yeah.
Like,
We're nothing compared to these guys.
yeah, these guys, like, they build their own shit, they really are, they're the real gangsters. Shit came down to it, bro, these guys probably survived.
Literally. Easily. So glad we met that taxi driver, to be fair. We definitely got a bear in the fall right now. Like, we would have never done this if we didn't meet that guy.
He showed us a little thing, he left it on. Definitely. Take that man out.
Yeah, we'll keep it a small tip. That's when our stinginess kicks back in after the adventure. We get back to reality. What are you saying, Lamyong? Cash money in the slot machine.
Thank you.
He said thank you.
Thank you, Lamyon. Thank you. What a legend. He actually communicates with humans. Woo! Woo! You the boy. Bye. There's levels to this shit.
Big time level switch.
Oh my days, we gotta hit the top, man.
Yeah, we're 100% going to the top.
Hope you guys aren't scared of spiders. It's deadly as fuck. Stunning. Yeah, it's insane. Shit, I got that on camera. Yeah, just in the background. I was just looking at my face, and then I just see you through it. Yeah, just for the vlog, right? Pre-planned. My man, emerging from the shadows. What are the odds?
I don't know.
You met, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing here? That guy that we just saw was from my old hostel, Ura, and like you can bump into people in Thailand, but it's just it feels like a very rare place to bump into people because it's like,
Yeah, it's so big.
we're in the middle of nowhere, and like it's not like we're in Bangkok or anything. You know what I mean? It's a huge country, and then we're in like the most random place,
Yeah,
and
2-3
somehow we
hours,
see that guy.
4 hours away from Bangkok.
Literally. Madness.
Yeah, 1 in a million chance, to be honest.
Where are we?
This one, I think we're headed to level 4 now. That might have been level 3.
So that was only 3.
Yeah.
Shit, it's about to get mad.
But now level 4 is looking very luscious though. Level 7.
Level 7's heaven, mate.
Yeah, it looks wild, to be honest, too.
Basically, they're not letting us go all the way up because apparently we're too late, but we really didn't have any idea. But I can't really say that to them because it's not, you know, they don't want to hear that. The guy has agreed, he's quite nice to be fair, he has agreed to take us to 5, even though he was like being a hard no for ages. But yeah, apparently floor 7's really good, that's what Sebastian was saying, and I really wanted to go there. I really wanted to swim in there as well. I thought it was going to be really cool. But they're not letting us, which fucking sucks. He's agreed to take us to 5. We should quicken the pace so we can get as far as we can until he wants us to turn back.
Yeah.
The vibe's changed. We were in a light, adventurous mood, and now we're like just desperately scraping by this dark energy. Fuck it. Alright, this is the furthest we're allowed to go. It's quite beautiful. Nothing amazing, but still pretty beautiful. The water is lovely. Very clear. So yeah, it's dope. You want to get some pictures?
Not really picturesque view like that, really.
You reckon? This guy right here is the best. He is the best. Thank you so much, honestly. He's letting us go to 7 and we're gonna hurry. Okay, let's go. Thank you so much. We're chasing waterfalls and we won't stop until we get them. And Ohm, this legend who works here, has helped us out heavy. Yes, we're going. It always works out one way or another. Things always tend to work out, don't they?
Things always do work out. When you push hard, things work out.
Exactly. I wish I persist more like this in everyday life. It's only when it comes to this kind of fun shit that I persist. We have to buy this kid a dinner, surely.
100%.
We're trying to rush because we don't want to take the piss because this guy's letting us go to number 7, but we have to get back down before it's dark. It'd be unsafe anyway, but we don't want to take the piss either, so. Well, I don't want to, so.
Conquer, you see that shit? He said we came to conquer.
We did say that. Wow! Okay, that looks way better in real life than you would even imagine. That is insane.
Ohm just told us that there's wild animals that come out to seek food in 10 minutes from now. Tigers, elephants. I'm not joking. We got to bounce. All right, hurry up, let's get it. Fucking hell. There's literally something in this water which keeps biting me. I feel like it's like a piranha or something. I don't think it is, but something keeps biting me.
How do I focus?
Woo! So we climbed to the top. Thanks to that man. Lovely guy. We got to buy him dinner now because he fucking did us a solid. Basically, we're dickheads and he's a very nice guy. We wouldn't budge and he would. But to be honest, it's not like we even convinced him. He really just kind of, out of the kindness of his own heart, said, "Fuck it, you guys can come up." So, but we've got to get down quickly now because apparently there's wild animals that come to eat prey in 10 minutes from now. Even tigers and elephants come out at dark. So we'd be absolutely fucked if we stay any longer. What a day! Fucking hell.
Yeah, great day. It's not even over yet.
Literally. We really got our money's worth in the end. I would have been a bit disappointed if we didn't get that waterfall, but now we got everything.
Yeah, it was worth the hassle and the haggling and everything, honestly.
Definitely.
Now Ohm is letting us see level 6 too, so we really need to treat this guy somehow. Such kindness.
It smells so good.
What, the waterfall?
The air. Yeah.
Rationalize not doing it.
Crazy.
What's it?
What is it?
It's a washed turtle tree.
Turtle tree?
Yeah. Oh fuck, okay. Yeah, touch it.
What?
Just touch it.
Oh, the result is very itchy. Yeah. He wanted me to touch.
I told him to touch.
Wow, you're good, man. We're just paying this man his 600 baht, 400 baht even, and he's just taking me, and then he's going to pick up Josh. Yeah, we really appreciate him, so we're going to give him 500 baht.
500จะเป็นแบงค์พันนะไม่มีสักบาทครับผมมี20 บาทน้าก็จะมีให้แต่ว่ามันไม่มีโทน
Legends, really nice people.
We get a nice little ride to the parking lot too, bro. We don't have to walk all the way.
This is sick. We need to tip more often.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, what a day. What an adventure. This actually does feel like we're in some game like Far Cry or some shit, I don't know.
Some shit, bro. Some Indiana Jones shit for real.
There's some bits of me.
It's looking really good, bro.
We're back, and there's our next ride.
Facts.
Fucking hell. Sick.
Just chilling. I bet he was getting worried.
Yeah.
He's probably like, what the fuck? Where these two kids go?
Shit, I got it. Sunset. yeah, the karaoke I did the other day in Koh Sam Road, I did it to kind of make everyone, I did it to try and surprise all the backpackers that I was kind of friends with, to make them laugh. I thought it'd be a really funny thing for them to just all of a sudden hear me singing. One of the English guys said to me, oh, I'm good, thank you. I'm going home. And one of the guys was like, I don't know, maybe he was embarrassed, he didn't want to sing, so he kind of like deflected whatever he did, and he basically said, Ali, the mic's off. And then instantly in that moment my emotions dropped, because I felt like, oh, maybe the people who I asked to do the karaoke with and to sing a song, they were like turning my mic off or like turning the volume down. I don't even know if that's true, but it just dropped my emotions. It just made me feel awkward in that moment. And then it was a bit of a mixed emotions, because I went from amazing kind of feeling to like this slightly more awkward feeling. Even with all of that, it was quite forceful, me singing that Aerosmith song. I wasn't doing it for negative intentions. I didn't even try to set up any filming for it. Someone just ended up filming it. I wanted someone to film it when I thought about doing it earlier on, but then I just thought, fuck it, I'll just do it to make everyone laugh, and someone might film it. But yeah, it was still a bit forceful nonetheless. And tonight, after our amazing adventure, we got pulled in by this random group of locals, about our age, to be honest, who were all like playing guitar and singing in this like little town. It's called what's it called? Kanchanaburi. And essentially I just walked in there and I was vibing with some of them, and the guy was playing guitar, and I was still, you know, a little bit awkward or whatever, but good energy, good vibes, not forceful, just being myself. And the guy was playing guitar, and they asked me, what song do you want to play? Fuck it, let's add to the theme. I'll say Aerosmith, I don't want to miss a thing. And he played it on the acoustic guitar, and I sung, and they all sung with me. And it just came out so effortlessly. I wasn't trying to do anything, I wasn't trying to be funny, I was just enjoying the music and singing. And yeah, it was such a stark contrast, you know, the other one being on the speakers in the city in front of loads of random people, all this frenetic energy, versus this being on the acoustic guitar and me not trying, me just flowing. I really wish I filmed it, because it was just such good vibes. Yeah, I was really flowing after that, and I was vibing with this one girl, and she didn't speak a word of English, but it was nice. It was, you know, it was a nice little moment. And I've always said to people that I only drink when the moment, if a moment arises where it just feels right. And this really was one of those moments. So I said no to the beer at first. They were going to give me a free beer, and basically I said no, and then I thought about it, and I thought, you know what, this thought just came over my mind. And normally I just don't even give a fuck. I'm like, nah, I don't want to drink. There's always negative circumstances, you know, like it will make me feel guilty that I'm drinking and whatnot. I was like, you know what, this seems for me like the perfect moment to drink. There's no thought in my mind, there's no reason for it, there's no need for it. I'm already vibing with this girl, I don't need to impress anyone. I'm enjoying this environment with these locals in this little town, which I remember the name of. And yeah, there's no real reason for it, but this is a moment where I feel like, yeah, why not? I don't like desperately want to do it, but to be honest, I think I should. I actually feel probably worse to not drink here, because it feels right, and I don't want to decline that urge and just feel this feeling of missing a moment or an opportunity which felt right to me. So I drank, and I just drank a little bit of a beer, not much, but it felt like the right thing to do. And as I was about to drink anyway, my friend Josh came up to me and he said to me, Ali, you sure this is like the right moment? Because I told him about the right moment thing, that I haven't drunk in 2.5 years, but there are times where, the occasional time where I do drink.
he said, don't you want to like save it for the full moon party or something like that? And I thought, I didn't give him a straight answer on that, but I thought, no, like, really, no, like, absolutely not. Just because it's the full moon party or just because there's some big party, that doesn't warrant me to drink. It has to be a special moment. It has to be a unique moment where it feels right to me, wholeheartedly feels right to me. And I make that decision very effortlessly, and that's exactly what happened tonight. So that's quite a significant thing for me to drink. Really nice evening, nice night, where I felt like I was flowing. And there was a moment in there where I really felt myself, and I really felt good. And I just felt flowingness. That's what I felt. I'm flying to Phuket tomorrow. So, yeah, I better get some sleep, wake up early, and get on that flight ASAP, on an ASAP ting. Got this really nice hostel actually right by this lake. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of mosquitoes, which I'm going to take precautions for, but it's a beautiful spot. Let me show you.
Sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna